Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still am very bullish overall. I mean, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this big impulsive move down does kind of make you wonder if this really is the end of the wave 5. But looking at all correlated yen pairs especially, I actually think this is more likely that it will go up and eventually probably take out these previous highs. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame and below is where you start to suspect that this could be like a wave A and this move up could be a wave B and it actually could go down again for a C or maybe even be a 1, 2, 3. But like I said, actually looking at all yen pairs and everything else and the fact this move down never broke any structure. So technically I would say we are definitely still in an uptrend. With all that in mind, I do think there is a very good likelihood that this will go up and it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we are kind of in a little bit of a consolidated area right now. But one thing important to notice is that we don't have a break of structure. We don't have any Fibonacci bounce. I think there is a good chance that it possibly could go down a little bit, but I think that move down is very likely just to be a correction to the uptrend. And I think that it is going to make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and eventually go up and take out this wave 5 high. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it does kind of make you think that it is going to go down temporarily because we do have a pulse down, we do have a break of structure. This move up does look pretty corrective, like a wave B. Kind of seems to me like the most likely scenario is that it will go down and make a wave C. But for me, the trend is definitely up on the higher roadmap time frame, so I'm definitely not going to be taking the short. I mean, I've seen situations like this so many times where you think it's going to go down for a wave C, but the higher time frame trend is up and it just keeps on trending up, which is why I don't really counter trend that trade that much. Even though I do suspect that it's going to go down before it goes up, I would much prefer to just wait for the long opportunity at the end of the ABC correction for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like it's the end of a wave B. We got a big turn right at the 78%. We definitely got a little bit of break of structure to the downside. I mean, it looks like a wave A down here. It looks like a wave B, and it looks like it should actually be continuing down to make a wave C. Most wave Cs do take out the lower wave A. So, I mean, if you are a short time frame trader and you don't mind, counter trend trading, then I would definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend right now. But you have to keep in mind that the higher time frame trend is up, and really the higher time frame trend could continue at any time, which is why I would much prefer to just wait for a nice clear long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.